I got the TAPHA 1/4-inch digital mini torque wrench. LED readout, preset, settings up, down. Here you have the directional switch. This is where the bit goes. Right in there just like that for your sockets. Here you have extra tip storage. LED readout. Anti-slip handle. Very, very nice carrying case for storage. You get the digital quick start guide, owner's manual, and yes, certification of calibration. Now, what I really like about this is durable and it's great for intake gasket work. Because if you do this job, you know good and well that 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive are much too large. This is a very good 1/4-inch digital torque wrench. Easy to read LED readout. Storage, runs on a battery, AAA battery. I use a penny to change the battery. You can use a screwdriver. I keep a penny right inside the storage box. Very good value for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your shop or garage. Thank you.